Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter name is Fur. Children, guess what we learn in this chapter? Yes, we learn different kinds of birds, right? Birds are different from each other in size, color, shape, body parts, food, etc. Right? Every bird has wings, they can fly with their wings. Birds have beaks, they have 2 feet. Their wings and tail help them in flying. They do not have ears but have holes in place of ears. Right? Birds build nests and lay eggs in them. Okay. Now, here some riddles are given. Let's see one by one. So, first one is, on my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Which bird is this? Yes, it's peacock. Right. Now next. Long and broad is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The blank is what you call me. Which bird is this? Yes, it's kite. Right. Now next riddle. My feathers are green, my beak is red. Guava and green chili, I am fed. I love to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Which bird is this? It's parrot. Right. Now next riddle. Black are my feathers and black is my color. Crow, crow, I do all day long. Which bird is this? Yes, it's crow. Right. Now next. Kuhu, kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Blank is my name. Which bird is this? Yes, it's cuckoo. Right. Cuckoo's voice is very sweet. Right. Now next. Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the blank I fly. Vulture is what I am called by. So it's vulture. Right. But vulture fly in the sky. Right. Now next. My beak is pink. Feathers are grey. Gutter go I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A blank is how I am known. Which bird is this? Everyone know this bird. Which bird? Yes, it's pigeon. Right. Now next. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The blank bird is how I am known. Which bird is this? Yes, it's tailor bird. Right. Now last riddle. In trunk of trees holes I make. Hidden insects I intake. Tuk tuk tuk, I work all day. The blank is what people say. Which bird is this? Yes, it's woodpecker. Right. Now, here, which bird is given? Owl. So, owl said that, why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. So, which bird is this? Bulbul. Bulbul replied, the dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Right. So here there was a meeting of birds. Owl has started the talk. Right. So it said, we are all special in our own ways. Our clothes, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, yet we are all birds, right? If we all looked alike, ate the same food, and made the same sound, think how dull the world would be, right? So basically, the neck movement also in bird different, right? A myna moves its head by jerking it forward and backward. An owl can rotate its neck fully backwards, right? Different birds make different sounds. A sparrow chirps, a pigeon coos, a crow cows, a cuckoo sings, and a peacock screams, right? Now think and write. So, which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their name. So, you can write using pencil. Okay, write down in your textbook peacock, crow, pigeon, parrot, crane, vulture, kite, and woodpecker. Right? Peacock, crow, pigeon, parrot, crane, vulture, kite, and woodpecker. Okay. Now next, find out. Now go out and look for birds around. How many birds could you see? How many birds do you know from them? Right. So, here one table is given to you. You have to write down name of the birds here. I write sparrow, pigeon, parrot, crow and myna. Right. Where did you see? In water, on the tree, on the ground, in the house, yeah, flying. Okay. So, according to this place, you make right mark on the boxes. Okay. So, first one is sparrow, right? I see on the ground, in the house and flying in the sky. So, I do right mark on these boxes. Okay. Now, if you see on the tree, so you do right mark in this box also. Okay. Now, second one is pigeon. I see on the ground, in the house and flying in the sky. Okay. So, this activity is very interesting activity. We can observe different birds, where they live. Right. Thank you, children.